Familiar foods that once had drastically different appearances. 1. Eggplants weren't purple, and they had spikes. The original wild eggplants did not resemble the purple, smooth-skinned eggplants we are familiar with today. These wild eggplants had a smaller size, a round or oval shape, and a variety of colors, including green, yellow, and white. Additionally, some wild eggplant varieties did have spines or thorns on their stems and leaves for protection against herbivores. 2. The original cucumber was toxic. The wild cucumber, also known as the balsam apple or wild balsam apple, is indeed toxic and not considered edible. Wild cucumbers, such as the balsam apple, contain compounds known as cucurbitacins, which can be toxic and cause gastrointestinal discomfort if ingested in large amounts. 3. Tomatoes were once called poison apples. Europeans in the 1700s had reservations about consuming tomatoes and believed they were poisonous or dangerous. One of the reasons for this belief was the fact that tomatoes belong to the nightshade family, which includes some plants with toxic properties. Some also believed that the high acidity of tomatoes, combined with the lead used in pewter tableware, would lead to lead poisoning if tomatoes were consumed from such plates. 4. Carrots naturally occur in various colors, including purple, yellow, and white, but not orange. Through selective breeding and cultivation, Dutch growers in the 17th century developed carrots with higher levels of beta-carotene, which gives them an orange color. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A and provides important nutrients for human health. The selection and promotion of orange carrots were primarily driven by a desire to develop more visually appealing and nutritious varieties. 5. Corn was barely edible. Corn, also known as maize, originates from teosinte, a wild grass native to Mexico and other parts of Central America. Teosinte had fewer and smaller kernels compared to modern corn, and its hard casing made it more challenging to extract them. The transformation of teosinte into the corn we know today was a result of thousands of years of selective breeding and domestication by indigenous peoples in the Americas. 6. Bananas had seeds. Wild bananas, the ancestors of the cultivated bananas we eat today, had seeds. Wild bananas are known as plantains and have large, hard seeds within their fruit. However, the bananas that we commonly consume, such as the Cavendish variety, are seedless or nearly seedless. This is due to centuries of selective breeding and cultivation. 7. Watermelons tasted very bitter. Watermelons came from Egypt 5,000 years ago, and back then, they were very small and tasted extremely bitter. Through selective breeding and cultivation practices over centuries, farmers aimed to improve watermelon varieties for taste, size, sweetness, and other desirable traits. 8. Marshmallows started as a plant. The word a marshmallow originally referred to a plant known as Althea officinalis, which is also commonly called the marshmallow plant. The marshmallow plant is a perennial herbaceous plant native to parts of Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia. However, the marshmallow confections we are familiar with today are not made from the marshmallow plant itself. Modern marshmallows are primarily composed of sugar or corn syrup, gelatin or alternative gelling agents, and flavorings.